This is a 36-inch Hunter original ceiling fan from the early 80s. It is tagged Robbins and Myers, however it does have the next generation since 1886 tag on the side of it. It's got a date code of M, which I'm not sure the exact year of that, but it would put it probably anywhere between 1981 and 1984. This fan is brown with an antique brass brackets and faceplate. It is model 22270, and we'll go ahead and turn it on for you. It's got 2 speeds. This one actually moves quite fast for the 36-inch. Some of them move or spin faster than other ones, it seems. And this is low speed. It's probably already going about 180 RPM, maybe even 190 or so. You can feel the air and hear the air moving again for a 36-inch fan. It's not bad at all. We'll go ahead and turn it on high. And high is going to run about 280 RPM. And it really doesn't wobble that much for how old it is. Even though 36 inches were much lighter fans than 52 inches, the wobble is probably less than any other 36-inch that I've seen. It's almost standing perfectly still. So I'll go ahead and turn it off. And again, this has been a 36-inch Hunter original ceiling fan, and I've described these more in detail in other videos, so I'll go ahead and keep this one short. But it's a great little fan. You don't see them very often in this finish combination. It's kind of a neat fan. It'll probably be going up on eBay a little bit later on. So thanks again for watching. Have a good day.